Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's video. So this week I wanted to share with you my favorite angles to take when I'm photographing a newborn. So my favorite and most popular shot that I know is my go-to shot is taking a shot from the top. So you see some images appear on this screen. These are my go-to shots. Now I love using props more than doing a beanbag shots and the beanbag workflow. So with props, with any prop, it's the best angle to take from the top, whether the baby's awake or asleep. So my second favorite is the side angle poses. Now these can be done like midway or very low, but you'll see some images for examples so I can show you exactly what I mean. Now these are beautiful whether baby's awake or asleep. Now if you know me, been watching my videos or following me on Instagram for a while, you know that I don't fuss about sleepy babies. I work with whatever the baby is doing. So baby's awake, baby's asleep, I just go with the flow and I don't force baby to sleep. Yes, I do try, don't get me wrong, I will try for 15 to 30 minutes to get baby to sleep, but if they don't, I just go with the flow. And I find these type of angles are the best to take for whether asleep or awake babies. Now the third most favorite one is the backlit shot. Now I'll pop up some images as well for you to see as an example. Now this is just pretty much a basket or a bed or however it is you pose the baby on a flicati, and then the light is behind them coming through. These are beautiful images and they give us such a natural feel and a dreamy feel as well to your images as well. So this is why I like it. So these are my most favorite three angles that I take at every newborn session. Now literally at every newborn session that I do. Now you can go and do them yourself, but I'd like to know from you, what are your favorite angles to take? Wherever you're watching this, leave me a comment below and let me know and just share them with me. So before you go, make sure you go download my newborn session guide. It's absolutely free. It should be on the link somewhere below or above this video. If you're on Instagram, go click on my profile and download it there. And make sure you download it and let me know what you think about it as well, because I'd love your feedback. If you have any questions about this video or anything else, leave them below and I'll catch you guys next week for another video. Take care.